In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase storage in Google Drive using a computer. If you've been getting warnings that your storage is almost full, this walkthrough will show you the quickest way to upgrade through Google One, which manages storage across Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to one.google.com. In the top right corner, sign in with your Google account. Double-check that you're using the same account you rely on for Google Drive, especially if you switch between multiple accounts in the same browser. If you're on a work or school account, storage may be managed by your organization, so personal upgrade options might not appear. On the Google One homepage, click See the Plans. This takes you to a page listing the storage options available in your region. Take a moment to review what's on offer. Plans differ by storage size and price, and you'll usually see the option to pay monthly or annually. As you compare, consider what takes up most of your space: large drive files, high-resolution photos, or big email attachments, and pick a plan that gives you comfortable room for growth. Some plans may include helpful extras like support and family sharing. Look at the details beneath each plan so you know exactly what you're getting. When you're ready, select the plan you want by clicking it. Next, click Subscribe. You'll see a checkout screen asking you to confirm your payment method. Verify that the payment method shown is the one you want to use and that your billing details are correct. If you're prompted to update anything, follow the on-screen instructions. When everything looks good, confirm to complete the subscription. Once your payment is processed, your Google Drive storage increases immediately. You should see your new total reflected right away on the Google One page, and that expanded space applies across Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. If you already have Drive open, give it a moment or refresh the page to see your updated storage bar. A few quick tips before we wrap up. This is a recurring subscription, so you can manage or cancel it later from your Google One settings if your needs change. Plan availability and pricing can vary by country, and taxes may apply. You'll also receive a confirmation email for your records. That's it. Quick and straightforward. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.